the situation is, I shouldn't say much, but as of today, people should not just be panicky. I think be cool, calm. Everything is under control. 50 plus positive today came out. The trend maybe it keep increasing. We don't know tomorrow what will happen. Day after tomorrow will happen. But my only suggestion, request from the government side to all the citizens of the state to kindly stay safe, take care of yourself. And I don't have to repeat the same thing, wearing mask or your regular hand wash or social distance. I think that is already there in the mind of every citizen of the state. So what I'm trying to tell here is this: don't be panicky. Everything is under control, and we need to learn more that we have to live with the virus. And that if you talk with the medical scientists of WHO or of different state government, means we need to learn how to live with the virus. When I say you need to learn how to live with the virus, means remember the standard protocols which was already in place 2 years back.